Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce Ukoy full guide. Mix vinegar, soy, sugar, garlic, chilies, and water, then simmer briefly until balanced, and taste for salt, heat, and sweetness. Start by mincing garlic and chopping chilies, then combine ingredients in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir until sugar dissolves, adjust flavors with more vinegar or sugar, and let cool before serving with crispy Ukoy pieces. Gather your ingredients so the cooking goes smoothly, and you can taste and adjust as you go. Measure rice or cane vinegar first, then add soy sauce and sugar so salt and sweetness are balanced. Mince fresh garlic and slice chilies thinly for quick infusion, and have a little water ready to loosen the sauce. Taste regularly, tweak with more vinegar or sugar, and remember small changes make big flavor differences. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides for you. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and cookbooks anywhere, and it even lights up your countertop while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one or similar gear to help in the kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Start with low to medium heat so garlic doesn't scorch and chilies release flavor without bitterness. Stir constantly while the sugar melts and always taste after cooling a little, since hot temperature dulls perception of acidity and heat. If the sauce seems flat, add a splash of vinegar. If too sharp, dissolve a pinch more sugar. Keep extra sauce refrigerated and use within a week for best freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.